Welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This week it's about V8 Vantage and our twin throttle upgrade. This is a replacement for the standard single throttle inlet manifold on the V8, which was fitted from 2005 4.3 right and through until when the V8 Vantage ceased production and they changed to the Mercedes engine. So this is covering a good 15 plus years of production. 4.3 had the power upgrade, it was coloured black. M430 had the same black inlet manifold, so whether it's black, whether it's silver, it's got a single throttle in the middle of it. Here's a picture of that. We upgrade it to this twin throttle, extra volume, extra airflow, and that gives about 25 bhp as opposed to the single throttle inlet manifold. So get lots of questions saying, can I have the twin throttle upgrade for my V8? And the answer is no, unless it's part of a bigger engine conversion that we're doing, say from 4.3 to 4.7 litre, or in fact a 5 litre V8 build. This is because the cost to construct that inlet manifold, the pair of throttles that are needed, the installation time, it all adds up to quite an expense. So its bang for buck for 25 bhp is very small. So if you're on a standard engine without the exhaust and without the blueprinting and porting that we do, then you wouldn't really go for the twin inlet manifold in isolation. But when it is added on top of a bigger engine build project, it's pretty phenomenal. We're going to go and see in this white car now the rate of change of engine speed acceleration, the on-throttle snappiness has significantly improved. And if you combine that with a lightweight flywheel and our exhaust manifolds and catalysts, now the engine responsiveness is just unreal. It wants to zip to the red line as quick as anything, and in each gear, first, second, third, all the way through to sixth, its pull to the red line is just relentless, and it gets you from stationary to warp factor 9 super quick. So unless you're going to have a bigger engine project, then as good as it is, unfortunately in isolation it's not really a product that we advise. As always, it really helps us if you could like, subscribe and comment below if you have any input.